have to film the intro, Jeff. Perfect. Well, I want to thank you all for coming. This is a real honor for me. As you have been preparing for your reunion, I just keep getting tripped up in my mind because Lee is a professor at Monmouth College and was here when I was a student. So to think of him as, you know,
very old.
One of you. I wasn't going to say that. Truly, it's just, I have to flip a switch and say, okay, he's here to celebrate his reunion. So I'm really honored to be introducing him. And they've given me quite a long bio, so I'm going to get right to it. And I should have introduced myself. For those of you who have not met me yet, my name is Bobby Pio. I'm a 92 grad from the college, and I work in the development office. So, Dr. Joshua Hawthorne joined Monmouth College in 2016 and serves as the Public Relations Major Coordinator in the Department of Communication Studies. Josh regularly teaches class on media and strategic communications. His research focuses on political communication via media, including recent projects focusing on why people select fake news propaganda messages. Lee McGann graduated from Monmouth College in when? 1969. After completing a master's degree at Ohio University, he entered the U.S. Army, serving first as a psychology specialist and counselor in the 6th Army Correctional Facility at Fort Carson, Colorado, and later as an advisor and coordinator for enlisted men's affairs to the commanding general of the 4th Infantry Division, Major General John C. Bennett. Following his military service, he returned to graduate school, completing a PhD in organizational communication with related study in higher education administration. Lee has taught a wide range of communication courses at Ohio University, Olivet College in Michigan, Wabash College in Indiana, and Monmouth College. His dissertation was nominated to the International Communication Association as the top doctoral thesis of the year in 1980 in his specialty. He has served as a divisional officer for state, regional, and international professional associations, presenting and publishing a substantial number of papers on communication and pedagogical topics. Joining the faculty at Monmouth College in 1986, he has served the college in a number of capacities, including as a strategic planner in 2 different decades, as COM 101 course director, and faculty director for WMCR Radio. He served as Associate Dean for Assessment, where his work in developing the college's assessment program was recognized by the North Central Association of Colleges and Schools in 1998 as one of the principal strengths of Monmouth College. He was co-founder of the college's Innovative Communication Across the Curriculum program. In 2016, he was recognized with the Hatch Award for Distinguished Teaching, the highest honor given to faculty at Monmouth College. His current projects and interests have focused on developing curriculum and programs that enhance student civic engagement at Monmouth and other colleges, as well as enhancing teaching through improved active learning, pedagogy, and metacognition. Glad I got that out. He also has begun to follow changes in political and social outcomes related to the expansion of digital video communication media. Lee is married and lives on the west edge of Monmouth, where he and his wife Linda enjoy gardening and caring for horses and a variety of pets. He notes that his time as a student at Monmouth forever focused him on the value of liberal arts colleges. He has spent his career at small colleges because of the opportunity to get to know and work closely with students, and he hopes to make a difference in their lives. And I promise you, he has. I know that for a fact. So please join me in welcoming Josh and Lee.
I think that intro was written for a grant application, and so it's kind of embarrassing to hear it read in this context. Josh and I are going to talk a little bit about media and social change and government and things like that, and my contribution to this.